Has a new max output hammer drill at my local Home Depot. Feels nice. A little lighter, definitely lighter than the Gen X5. Oh, the impact is, ooh, this thing's mad light compared to the Gen X5 brushless. Nice though, I mean, they don't look like toys to me. The cheap one does, the new one. And they have this one for $75. Anyone interested? It's on clearance.